Today I have a very special video today because one of the most important things that people want to know is entrepreneurship. Oh whoa, look, a dog's crapping. So one of the things that's really important about entrepreneurship is that you have to be able to know how to solve a problem that people have right now. And oftentimes people are first talking about, I want to be an entrepreneur, and then they want to start business, but they're not actually thinking about how to solve people's problems. And that's the thing that I think people oftentimes neglect. Like a few months ago, a lot of great entrepreneurs realized, hey, people need masks, and they made that happen. They made it so that everybody who wants a mask can have a mask. There's no shortage anymore. So now what is the great issue that people want resolved, that people really feel is really important for them to figure out? I would say the number one issue right now is security. Isn't that right?
That is right. That is what we need.
Security is a big one. You're seeing a lot of cities are just defunding the police, or they're just making it so that they're not responding. So if you have an idea of how to make cities more secure, or if you know how to make homes more secure, if you have some insight in terms of vulnerabilities that exist and you can actually make things a lot more secure, I think that's really an important thing. Oh, that's a little bit of a heavy topic, so let's make it really sweet now.
He's our security dog.
What do you think?
You having a good time, Ra?
Good. See, actually dogs are a major part of security as well. A lot of people have dogs. A lot of people train dogs that are specially oriented towards making sure that things can be a lot more secure. So that's also really an important thing. But I think people can actually be, I think if you want to make a lot of money right now, you should be a consultant to people who want to make their homes more secure, because there are small things that can be added slowly over time that make it so that your home will not be attacked. Like as an example, see, this looks like, oh, is this plants right here? But in reality, it actually is kind of a disguise. It's really also aimed at being a security fence. It's made to be a little bit harder to get over. Anything that makes things a little bit more difficult means that it becomes more secure. So some ideas that I have, that I've thought of over years, is if you encourage people to make windows that are impenetrable, like they sell that on the internet, I've seen them. Then you could add bars on them as well. You could add doors that are almost as strong as bank vaults. I've also seen that on the internet. So even though I'm not licensed, and I don't even know if you need a license to be like a security consultant, I think I just have ideas from searching for products and things that are available on the internet, so I have some idea about what makes things more secure. But I'm sure many of you have even better ideas, and I think that's one way that a lot of entrepreneurs can make a lot of money: come up with a product that's cheaper and better than what other people are doing in terms of security, because that's a big thing that people are thinking about. People are searching for it. People are concerned about it, even if they don't say it publicly, they're concerned about it. I see on a lot of homes they're adding cameras and things like that. So it shows you that people are concerned that there's a deterioration in terms of the security situation, and it's something that you can make a lot of money if you are a consultant or can actually make a product that will make things more secure. So that's my free advice to you today, and it's really great advice because some of you are probably going to make a fortune because I gave you this $1 million idea. So make it happen, and then tell me how much money you made in the comments below, and feel free to share some of that money too with me, because I helped you become very rich. So talk to you in another video. Subscribe, hit the like button. Bye bye.